are going to be talking about the United States of America. As you can see, this is the map of the United States, and some are not here because some are islands, and there are 50 states.
50 states, and we're going to talk about all of them, and we're going to ask some questions to the students if they know. So the first question is,
what's the population of the United States of America?
Darva.
Steve, 219 million.
Good
Yes,
job, excellent.
good job.
Sydney.
Okay, next question. How many states are there? You just said it. Sabas?
15?
50. Yes, there are 50 states, but as I said, some of states are not here because they're on islands. Next question. These states, where are these states located? North, south, east, or west?
Raise your hand.
Which state you mean?
Like in one side of the,
Okay, but which state?
for example, Canada, Oregon, New Jersey, and Texas.
Yeah.
What state are they in?
What state is Texas located?
Sorry.
North, east, south, or west?
East?
East? No. Texas? Close.
And
South? Yes. Texas is located in the south, and Minnesota is located in the north. West Virginia is located in the east, and California and Nevada are located in the west. Next question. Would you like to read?
the next question is, an island and is one of the newest states. What is it?
What island is one of the newest states? Or where are the newest states located?
Raise your hand. Moving.
Hawaii and who else? Sit down, thank you.
Next one, Elena. Alaska?
Yes.
Yes, correct.
The
Good job.
some of the newest states are Pacific. They're next to the Pacific Ocean, and they're on
Islands, which is covered
Hawaii?
by ocean, which is Hawaii and Alaska.
And they're also one of the newest states.
Next question. What state is northeast of Canada?
Northeast.
Northeast of Canada.
Basically means northeast.
Yes. Someone that we have.
Picked. Ali?
Maine?
Maine? Maine. Yes, correct. There are some more states like Michigan, New
What
York,
is mainly like most percent?
and there are more states like Wisconsin, Michigan, New York, Pennsylvania, and Maine.
And
Next
most of
question.
it it's New York. Next question. The first Europeans came to North America. One.
Multiracial USA means USA doesn't only have one type of people, it has many types of people. For example, Asians and Africans. First one, I'll explain it. The Native American people came to the USA from Asia 2,500 years ago, which means America was not populated when the humans started, but they discovered it 25,000 years ago. And through what is now Alaska, people from Scandinavia, I said, which is from Scotland, it's a region in Scotland, first sailed to North America, which means like Alaska, 1,200 years ago. The Spanish followed 700 years later. The Spanish is like Mexico and Spain, and in around 1500, the Spanish called Native Americans Red Indians because they thought that the Americans were Indians because,
And the second one, immigration from Europe started rapidly over the next 200 years, and people came from Britain, France, Holland, Germany, and many other countries all around the world to visit America and mostly stay in it. they used to sail across the Atlantic to North America, but many millions of Americans came to the USA when they did not want to. They were slaves and they worked on farms, which are mostly American Africans. They used the Americans, the ones that were richer, because back then they were slavery. So the black American Africans came from Germany, Ireland, Sweden, and Portugal. 70% of the Portuguese immigrants were from the Arrows, and more of them came to the east coast of the USA in the last century. That means 70% of the Portuguese people came to the east coast of the USA and coast of the USA in the last century. More immigrants came from Mexico and Central and South America on the west coast of the USA. That means people came from Mexico and Central.
The Americans had a war in about 1864, but African Americans did not have the same rights, which means some people have rights to vote, maybe to go out, maybe to buy some stuff, but these people did not have rights, and it's just sad. And African Americans did not have same rights as white Americans for another 100 years. Today, 12% of the population are African Americans, which means they have populated a bit of America, and that's 35 million people.
Let's continue.
Okay, number 5. The rich variety of people, which means the people that have very much money with the different histories. That means the rich had different histories than the poor. Tradition, festivals, they did festivals for like the rich. Languages and food is what makes the USA the 21st century special. They have different languages, they have different food, and that's basically what makes the USA different from other countries and languages. And it's considered one of the best countries in the world.
Does anyone have a question? Okay, so let's solve the multiracial English as a second language. That means many people that are Asian, like Chinese, Japanese, Vietnamese, and Thai American, speak English as a second language, which came to America.